Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. Good day. I am Jennifer Orgeles from Philippines, 40 years old, married, and have two daughters, 18 years old and 13 years old. I am college undergraduate. I did not finish my college because of financial problem. I was working UAE, finished contract. My main duties there is taking care of five kids, 12 years old, 10 years old, 6 years old, 3 years old, and newborn baby. I am also helping cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes. I am tutoring the kids also to their homework. Also, I was working in Hong Kong, unfinished contract. My main duties there is taking care of 1-year-old baby boy, marketing, cleaning the house, washing and ironing the clothes. Also, I am teaching the baby how to identify the colors, numbers, alphabet, and animal sounds. I am trustworthy, hardworking, and loving person, especially to the kids. To my future employer, I am promised that I will finish my contract and I will do my very best to fulfill my work. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.